there's short navigation disc, and we have been ordered Japan this Harrier remote key, and it's arrived. I'm gonna unpack these things. How it looks like. Ta-da! That is the Harrier 2017 key you guys are watching right now. So it's a beautiful key. Is it functional? Yes, it's working. You know someone's hair is unlocking, and something. They're saying that it's gonna push. So please push. So I have to remove the battery right now. It's very easy. Let me show you guys. Stand by. So you have to put these things somewhere over here. There is a slot. Put it over here and just twist. A little bit twist is good. Be aware of that. Don't break the cover, right? So if you just a little bit pressure and stir. That's the inside of the Harrier. We cannot shift this key battery. It's very hard. Okay, because the Fedex never carry this kind of cell. It's original Japanese, and the brand is CR something like that. Okay, let's look. So that's the inside of the Harrier remote key. These guys are seeing. And the actual number is over here. Denso. Alright. So yeah. So all about the Harrier key, alright? So I'm gonna put it back all together. Okay, very good. Indeed, the quality over here, because the Fedex team will inspect what I'm going to send. Toyota. So we show something written over here. Battery recommendation number. You guys can see the match with the battery. So make sure next time when you put the battery over there, CR20 is the number, right? So it's very, very important. Now, I'll put it back the cover because we are done. Voila, it's done. So I'll reassemble the stuff. That's the Harrier key, alright? Fantastic, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching the show. It's all about navigation disc. I'll get back to you guys more update. Till then, I'm sure signing off. So let's make some photo shots with a key as usual. We do. So people love our page because we always try to let them know what they're gonna get. Everything is there. It's very much defined, untouched, clean, almost new. Alright, it's very beautiful. Thank you so much once again.